Missing microbiological test became an FDA finding. Hello and welcome to KaulEdge GMP Learning Series. In this episode, we'll explore a real FDA Warning Letter observation and uncover the GMP lesson hidden behind it. Let's begin. During a routine inspection, the FDA investigator reviews microbiological testing records for several OTC drug products. While examining batch release documents, the investigator notices that the products were released without testing for Burkholderia Cepacia complex or BCC. Immediately, a question arises. If this organism presents a known risk, why was the testing not performed before product release? The inspection has now moved beyond documentation and into scientific decision-making. The investigator discusses the issue with the microbiologist. The explanation is simple. Routine microbial testing was performed, but BCC testing was not considered part of normal release requirements. The company relied on historical practice and internal assumptions. The investigator then asks a critical question. Can you provide scientific justification or a documented risk assessment supporting this decision? Unfortunately, adequate evidence is not available, and that changes everything. The FDA investigator concludes that products were released without generating required microbiological evidence. Quality was assumed rather than demonstrated. As a result, the issue is cited as a regulatory observation. But why is BCC so important? Burkholderia Cepacia complex is a high-risk microorganism known to survive in water systems, manufacturing environments, and even preserved products. Testing is especially important for aqueous non-sterile products, such as oral liquids, eye drops, nasal products, topical preparations, and products intended for vulnerable patients. Because BCC can cause serious infections, particularly in immunocompromised individuals, regulators expect companies to assess and control this risk appropriately. The key lesson from this warning letter is simple. The company asked, "We have always done it this way." The FDA asked, "Can you scientifically justify why this test was not performed?" And that difference in thinking became a regulatory finding. Remember, good microbiologists perform tests. Great microbiologists understand why those tests matter. Thank you for joining this KaulEdge GMP Learning episode. These learning capsules are inspired by real-life inspections, audits, investigations, and industry experiences to help transform compliance into understanding. If you found this useful, please follow KaulEdge on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook for more GMP audit stories, regulatory lessons, and leadership insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay compliant, and continue building your leadership edge.